Hi friends, welcome to Tassel Tuesday. I have something really special that I'd like to share with you today. This is a tassel that I just recently created. I found this figurine and it's so adorable. I'm going to see if I can zoom in for you. But there's a lady and a gentleman and she's holding a puppy and he's giving her a little kiss on the cheek and he's holding a flower and you can see some other flowers down here. And she has a purple hat and a pink dress. He has a blue hat and blue pants. They are standing right next to this fence. This is marked number 1. And so obviously it's in a series of porcelain figurines. I don't know much about the figurine and the series myself, but I'm sure there are plenty of people that do. So I took this figurine and I turned it into a tassel and I am completely in love with it. Now, I'm sorry I didn't record my process video, but it was my first time using a figurine to make a tassel. And so sometimes when I'm doing a first time on something, I really just need to be able to focus on the task at hand and not think about the camera and what it's doing. But if I do this again, I will show you. Last week, for the first time, I did salt and pepper shaker tassels. If you did not see that, well, I should say 2 weeks ago. If you didn't see that video and you're curious about salt and pepper shaker tassels, you can go check that out. My Tassel Tuesday playlist is always in my description box. So as you can see, let's break this down just a little bit. We have a variety of ribbon. I have some vintage torn cotton here. I have some vintage lace that my friend Maria at Maria's Miscellany sent to me, which is lovely. I have this yarn here and this yarn and another piece of yarn that's in here was sent to me by my friend Pam at Pamela's Creations. So thank you, Pam. Also the blue, that's what it was. She sent me, it came in a pack. I believe it came in a pack from the Magical Mixery store. And so there's blue and white that was in that pack. So what I did was there was a hole in the bottom of the figurine, and so I put some hot glue in there, but I'm not relying just on that. I just did that to kind of tighten the bundle up in there, but then you can see here that I went up. The bundle is also attached to this, and it goes through here, but I covered it with fabric. I covered it with flowers, and then I pulled it really tight. So we've got it tied in, but then we also have it in the center underneath, hot glued in. Then I went around it with this trim here. This is such beautiful trim. This was given to me in Happy Mail. I am sorry, I do not remember who gave this to me. So if it was you, let me know. I'll put you in my description box. And this was just a piece of trim that I had purchased a year or so ago, and it fit on here just beautifully. So then also the other thing I did was I added another piece of vintage cotton to hang this, and I will put some pictures of it hanging so that you can see how it looks hanging. It is available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. I absolutely love it, and I look forward to making some more tassels like these. Now that being said, these obviously are decorative tassels that would look beautiful hanging in your home as a lovely accent. This is too heavy to hang on a journal, so if you have a really large journal or altered book, it would be fine, but it's definitely got some weight to it, so I think it is better to hang and bring joy to your life as a decorative piece in your home. Well, friends, I really appreciate you spending some time with me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.